Welcome to solverfy.
In this problem, our null hypothesis H0 is sigma equal to 12 and alternative hypothesis H1 is sigma not equal to 12, which is our claim. As we have used not equal to, it is a two-tailed test with value of alpha given to be 0.10. Since it is two-tailed test, the area will be splitted into two parts. That is, alpha by 2 equal to 0.05 will be this left side shaded region, and alpha by 2 equal to 0.05 will be this right side shaded region. Now, degrees of freedom equal to n minus 1, where n is the size of the sample. In this problem, the sample given is of size 12, is of size 13. So, degrees of freedom equal to 13 minus 1, which is equal to 12. Now, we have to find the critical values. For right side's critical value, see in the table for chi-square distribution under alpha equal to 0.05 and degrees of freedom equal to 12. So, the right side's critical value is 21.026. For left side's critical value, we will see under degrees of freedom equal to 12, but alpha equal to 1 minus this 0.05. So alpha equal to 1 minus 0.05, which is equal to 0.95. So left side's critical value is 5.226 as seen in the table for chi-square distribution. Now we will find the sample standard deviation. For that we will need summation x, that is summation over all the individual values, which is calculated to be 307.9. Also we will require summation x square, which is equal to 9853.15. Now we will calculate sample variance, that is S square. S square equal to n multiplied by summation x square minus summation x square divided by n multiplied by n minus 1. After putting values and computing this is equal to 213.388. So this is our sample variance. Now sample standard deviation s equal to square root of s square. So s is equal to 14.61. We will now calculate test value. The test value chi square equal to n minus 1 multiplied by s square divided by sigma square. So this will be equal to 12 multiplied by 14.61 square divided by 12 square. This is equal to 1.218. One point two one eight will lie somewhere here. That is, it will lie in shaded region, that is in our critical region. So reject null hypothesis. Thus, there is sufficient evidence to conclude that the standard deviation differs from 12 mg.